Today I'm going to take you on a tour of like my spooky house. I have my office that is dedicated to horror Halloween, and then I have a lot of Halloween all throughout my house. So I figured I would give you a tour of all the things that I have collected all throughout the years. So come along and join me.
Halloween horror and tales from the night. Welcome to the Fright Chronicles, where fear comes alive.
I have this Bates Motel sign that I purchased from Spirit Halloween. And then I have these banners. Here's a Sam from Trick or Treat, and then Jason. These I got on Temu, and I believe they were like really cheap. I bought them a while ago, but I love the artwork. And it's actually really good quality. I was shocked when I received these. And now we enter into my office. This is a sign from the Haunted Mansion that says, "Welcome, foolish mortals." And then as we close the door, the creature from the Black Lagoon, that was purchased from Temu. And then I've got this from the Haunted Mansion. That's one of my favorite rides from Disneyland. Killer clowns, and a lot of this stuff was purchased from Spirit Halloween. And then over here, I've got this. This was from FYE. And then again, a lot of the artwork that I have is basically from Spirit Halloween. And I try to get them when they're on sale because otherwise you spend a lot of money. Now this is from Knott's Scary Farm, the 50th anniversary. That's one of my favorite haunts to go to every year. This is also from FYE. And then of course, I've got my blow mold, and of course, all-time favorite, the Sanderson sisters, Hocus Pocus. Here's another Hocus Pocus sign. Then we've got the Wolfman. This I purchased, I think, from Joanne. And this I bought from an artist, I believe off of eBay, back in 2013, and I really liked it. I liked the design, the artwork, and then the detail. Look at like all of the faces in the spider web. I'm terrified of spiders, but I really liked the design. And then of course, my favorite, Haunted Mansion, but with the Nightmare Before Christmas characters. And here's the mini Halloween 3 masks from Fright Rags, which goes along with this guy. I purchased this, I think, on eBay, or maybe it was Instagram, because it's Jack and Sally as the Joker and Harley Quinn. And of course, from my favorite, the Haunted Mansion. This is signed by Chris Sarandon, who is the voice of Jack Skellington. And then lots of like little trinkets here. And now we move on to the masks that I have. Now the thing with these masks is they are made by a company called Distortion Unlimited. And back in, I believe it was like 2012, they had a program where you could join for, I think like 3 months for like maybe $150 or something like that. And you would be part of the Monster Mask Club or something like that. I can't really remember what it was called. I received 3 masks because I joined the club because I just thought, oh, that would be really cool to get masks from that company and then display them. And they all turned out to be like aliens. I'm not the biggest fan of aliens, but I do think that the masks are really cool. This is one of my favorites. And then I have this from all of the media events that we have gone to. Probably be adding more to that collection. This is one of my favorite pieces, and I was glad that I got it last year. Now this area doesn't really get shown a lot because my computer faces this wall, so my camera, when I do podcasts and stuff, faces that way. So this wall really isn't shown much. So on this wall, I do have a lot of Universal monsters because they are definitely one of my favorites. And then a lot of this stuff that I have over here was purchased from Temu, especially these posters. Now this of course is from Spirit Halloween, and so is that, but this is from Temu and so is that. And then my aunt bought me this a long time ago, and I just thought he would look really cool up on my TV. And then that was from At Home last year, I believe. This is one of my only like vintage items that I do have hanging on the wall. And then I forgot to show this guy. He was purchased from Spirit Halloween a long time ago, and we were going to use him to put candy in here, but he can't hold much weight. So we're like, no, that's not going to work. So we just use him as a display piece. And this is actually a vintage piece as well. And it fit perfect right here. So he's like presenting the vintage haunted house. And as we make our way downstairs, I do have a lot of spooky items in this part of my house. I have here this Bride of Frankenstein, and then Frankenstein's monster. These were from TJ Maxx. And then up here, this was purchased from that Halfway to Halloween event that we went to. And it does light up. It's really cool. And then a spooky like candelabra that I think was purchased from Spirit Halloween, I can't remember. And then this is from Michael's last year. And then this as well. And then of course I have my 8-foot skeleton. We used him during Christmas, and I just thought, you know what? I don't really want to put him away. I want him out all the time because then he can protect with my knight over there. But yeah, he's just so cool, and people are always shocked when they walk in and they're like, oh, you have a skeleton on display all the time? And I'm like, yeah, why not? And then I've got some spooky items in this bookshelf too. These are from Big Lots. And then this is from Five Below. And then I've turned one of my rooms into a movie theater room. And so on the wall in here, I've got horror movie posters, Ghostbusters, and then we've got Exorcist, and here's some more Universal monsters. These were purchased from Universal Studios. And then this I got at an antique store. And then Marilyn Monroe, because she's definitely one of my favorites. And then another Marilyn. And then these are actually the metal signs from Walmart when they had the Bloody Disgusting line and they were on sale. So that's just a quick tour of all of the spooky items that I have on display year-round in my house. People might think I'm a little crazy, but it's what I love, and I like to show my love for Halloween 365 days out of the year. So if you like this type of content, make sure you join by slashing that subscribe button below. And until next time.
Halloween horror and tales from the night. Welcome to the Fright Chronicles, where fear comes alive.